was bored, all alone. Staying alone was pointless, so I went to the nearest disco. The doors open, the bass breeze, the lights start calling me. The crowd already wild inside. I sat down, still shy, still frozen. But in my head I danced like a lost shadow. I watched the music burn, 1,000 rays of light covering every wall, a place in pure ecstasy. My thoughts were already dancing with them. I feel it. I feel it calling me. I live thanks to music, but alone I dance in my head. Break free from your shyness, stand up and dance. Life was waiting for this moment to see you tremble and move to the sweet electrifying pulse of these celestial lights. Like a voyeur, I stay here, watching the transparent nakedness of this diabolical music. It keeps making me dance inside my mind. More lights, more heat. The drop is coming. I live thanks to music, but alone I dance in my head. Break every chain of shyness, rise up and dance. Life was waiting for this instant to see you tremble and move to the sweet and shocking fire of these celestial lights. Dancing with the music alone, it's not so bad. But with two, always better. And maybe with that person over there, if you don't mind dancing. I wasn't expecting this. Hands
drop is coming.
I live thanks to music. Alone, I dance in my head, but now I'm free. Awakened from my unease, I break through and dance by your side under the spotlight. Our bodies move like birds to this unique electrifying sound, and it's like descending from the sky, blessing us with sweet madness. Oh yes, dancing.